Hello everybody, welcome students to our channel. Today we are going to learn a lesson 1.4 Be Smart. In this lesson we shall know about SMART goals. We will divide this lesson in two parts. Today we will discuss the first part of the lesson. Dear students, what according to you is the definition of success? How do you conclude that someone is successful? For that, today we are going to watch the video first, then we will discuss about the next part.
सुपरस्टार बनने के सपने लिए जब वो पहली बार मुंबई आए थे, तब उन्होंने कई रातें बेंच पे सोकर गुजारी। साल 2000 में वो बैंकक्रप्ट हो चुके थे। न मूवीज थी, न कंपनी, न पैसा। परिवार की गरीबी के कारण वो बचपन में न्यूज़पेपर्स बेचते थे। सिर्फ एक रैंक पीछे होने की वजह से उनका इंडियन एयरफोर्स में पायलट बनने का सपना अधूरा रह गया। फिर भी उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी। अपने एक्टर बनने के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी नौकरी छोड़ दी और दिल्ली आ गए, लेकिन पैसों की कमी के कारण उन्हें वहां वॉचमैन की नौकरी करनी पड़ी।
These stories tell us if we do what we love to do, then the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. Today we are going to see the important features of what we should take into account by setting goals. It is possible for those people because only due to strong desire, dream and vision. These successful people do not do different things, but they do the things differently. Dream is not the thing that you see in sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now let us do the chit-chat activity. Planning your career is not an easy task, but we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. The following diagram shows factors to be considered while choosing a career. Discuss with a group which factors you regard as important. Career factors. First one, skills. Second, interest. Third one, abilities. Fourth, personality traits. Fifth, demand. Sixth, financial gains. Seventh, family profession. And last one, future prospects. Now let us learn an acrostic. An acrostic is a form of a writing where the first letter in each of the lines forms another word. For example, friend. Here F for faithful, R for respectable, I for inspiring, E for encouraging, N for noble, and D for dependable. Now students, prepare on your own such acrostics for your dearest family member. Second, name of your best friend. Third, a quality or feeling. And fourth, any profession. Now see the next activity. Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as a noun, verb or adjective. Number 1, I walk to school every day. See the word, second word, walk. Second sentence, I go for a walk every day. See the fifth word, walk. Sentence third, they gave me a gift every day. Here the word number fifth. Next sentence, You can gift her a storybook. See the third word, gift. Next sentence, it was sold as a gift pack. See the sentence word number 7th. Next sentence, they bought a new house on 10th Street. Here the word number 4th. The water tanks leak a lot. See the word leak. And last sentence, the old age home houses 100 aging and homeless people. See the word houses. Now students, we will turn over to the first paragraph of the lesson, Be Smart. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have the skill and the will. But the will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. We all have natural talents. If we use talent to set our goals in life, we can easily get success in life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take action to achieve them. See the first line, champions aren't made in gyms. Means simply by going to gyms, you are not going to become a champion. Champions need to have 3 things inside them. First one, a desire. Second, a dream. Third, a vision. They should have the skill and the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Here, the author said that successful professionals prosper in the same manner. Very important point here, we all have natural talents. If we use that talent to set our goals in life, we can easily get success in our life. In order to become a champion, you should have the skill as well as the will to do something great. If you want to become a great singer or a player, then you need to enhance your skill. You need to good skill as well as you need to good will. Here the author said that the will must be stronger than the skill. Why has the author said so? Because skills can be achieved if you have strong will to achieve them. And just having goals does not ensure that you will be successful. You should have the will to take an action on to them. Then it will ensure that those goals are achieved. Read the second paragraph. Setting goals has 2 valuable assets: a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Goals put one at the helm of life. Pursuing the acknowledges a better future situation. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. Suppose you want to become a legendary batsman like Sachin Tendulkar. Here not just having the will play a role of becoming a batsman like Sachin Tendulkar. That don't help to become a batsman. But if you have the will and you choose to work upon it, if you develop inside you the skill, then it is possible for you. So the skills as well as will and the ability to take an action are very important to become great. You are the creator of your life. So don't wait for opportunity, create it. Here students, while setting goals, 2 important things are very important. One must take into account. First of all, a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path, that means enlighten the path. Setting of goals put you in charge of life. Achieving of goals gives you control of your lives. That means to control the steering of your life.